How to shoot a YouTube video. So here are the equipments that you must need to shoot a good quality video. Camera. The first piece of equipment you will need is a camera to capture the video footage. You can use a variety of cameras for YouTube videos, including DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and even your smartphone camera. Make sure your camera has good video quality and is capable of shooting in high definition, HD, or 4K resolution. Microphone. Good audio is just as important as good video quality. So, you will need a microphone to capture high-quality sound. There are a variety of microphones you can use, including lapel microphones, shotgun microphones, and USB microphones. Choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Tripod. To keep your camera steady while you're shooting, you'll need a tripod. This will prevent shaky footage and give your video a professional look. Choose a tripod that is stable, easy to set up, and can handle the weight of your camera. Lighting. Good lighting is essential for high-quality video. You can use natural lighting or invest in professional lighting equipment, such as softbox lights or ring lights. Make sure your lighting is even and doesn't cast harsh shadows on your face. Background. The background of your video is important because it can affect the overall look and feel of your video. You can choose a plain white or black background, or use a green screen to add different backgrounds in post-production. Editing software. Once you've captured your footage, you'll need to edit it to create a polished final product. There are many video editing software options available, including Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and iMovie. Choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Computer. You'll need a computer with enough processing power and memory to handle your video editing software. Make sure your computer meets the software system requirements. Accessories. Finally, you may need additional accessories such as extra batteries, memory cards, and a camera bag to store and transport your equipment. And that's a detailed script on the equipment you can use to shoot a YouTube video. Subscribe this channel to watch more informative videos. Also like and share.